Hi guys, Joey here. This is going to be a little Facebook finds video. So I bought this off a trade group. I'm not going to tell you how much I spent till the end. Have a look at the items and let me know what you think if I got it for a good price, okay? So first off is this water bag. So for washing up, collecting waters. Obviously it's waterproof and it's a good size. The brand is there. I don't know, just found it handy, compact, and might be useful for the camper van. So next pouch is this one here. Now I didn't know these two pouches came with this offer, so these two were a nice surprise when it finally came to me. Let me just show you what's in this. So you have a small container. Inside the container you have some UCO waterproof matches and some tinder in there. This one here, I was told by the seller that it's for making it into a little meth stove, so that unravels and then you just set it all up. But again, I didn't notice about that one. These ones I've shown in the past. They're the little cheap lanterns. You have a SC tin. Inside the tin, oh, sorry, my hands are awful. You have the card and a original SE flint and steel. You have another tin. I like these little tins as well. The little tobacco tins. So you got another flint and steel. You got steel. You got some chalk cloth, some wick, some, all kinds of stuff there. And you have sticks of fat wood. Yeah, that's fat wood. Some wax tinder. Again, something homemade, like for a wick. And that's it out of that one. This one here I like the patch. I want to say it's a Scova, something like that patch. Let me know in the comment section, but you know what I'm talking about. We'll go through the small pockets first. So here we have a Mora Eldis. Looks brand new. We have a Exotac lighter. We have a bellow. We have a Exotac lighter sleeve. And we have a Exotac stormproof matches. Has a striker on the bottom. Small little container. Another one. To be honest, I haven't been in this pouch since I got it. Little bottle opener there from CRKT. Been saving this for a review. Another lighter. I think that's it of that one. Next pouch. You have some fast fire stick from ProCamTech. Nearly a full stick. We have a mosquito head net. Another container. This one has some more fat wood. Some hand gel. We have a brand new ferro rod with a little bead, a little skull bead on it. Got another ferro rod there. Another container there with some tinder inside and another ferro rod on that one. I definitely got enough ferro rods now. Oh, we have another ferro rod there. This is a big one. Another ferro rod. There. Shit. 2 more. And we got some ferro rod with the has a hole cut in them. Lost track of the ferro rods now. Now the main thing that brought me to this, because again the pouches are really nice, but I didn't know they were part of it. What I didn't have was the SE original one, because I'm collecting all the SE stuff, so that's nice. The Exotac lighter. So let me just unbury my stuff from all these ferro rods here. This one and this one. Those two I didn't have either. The Exotac ones. So to me, these are the valuable items I was after, and everything else was extra. So the total for all of this I paid for, it went £90, but 93 with goods and services, the insurance on it. So let me just neaten this up, and then I'll show you again. Right, again, so we got the water container, the 2 pouches. We have everything from that section. And all of this. So £93 in total. So let me know what you think in the comment section. I probably have about enough ferro rods now in total for probably my grandkids. But again, let me know it's a good price. Again, you got the Mora in there, and 3D Exotac and original SE. Thanks guys for watching. Hopefully I'll try to make some videos a bit more frequently. And let me know in the comment section. Thanks guys. Bye.